Lathams offer a large range of Hooply handles, of which all are compatible with our security doors and installed in a similar way. Check that you have all of the following components: cylinder covers and screws, 2 gaskets, 1 internal handle, 1 external handle, 2 gold thread extensions, 2 screws, and 1 spindle. Fit the cylinder covers over the Euro cylinder, ensuring the screw heads are on the inside for security. Fix the 2 thread extensions to the external handle. Insert the spindle into the spindle cavity. Place into position with the plastic gasket provided. Move on to the internal handle. Pull the Thumbturn hinge spindle down and make sure this is inserted through the relevant hole when aligning. To finish, align and screw into the external handle. Check out the full range of our doors, locks and accessories on our website.